Welcome back, scrappers. What's scrap-a-lackin'? We're all excited today. We got a nice little scrap project. We have a 6-outlet power strip with spike protection and broadband noise filter. Does anybody even still use broadband? Out of curiosity. So let's take this apart, see what's going on. I already did unscrew the outlets across top and the plates on the side. So let's see what we got cracking in there. We got some metal. Oh. Some wires. Well, we're not going to unplug those. Let's unplug those. Get those out. And that one's screwed in, but we're just going to snip it. Put that there for now. And we got ourselves, looks like a little switch, I would assume. Yes, sir. All right. So we gotta crack that open. I'll put this with the rest of our switches. Well, I'll leave it over here. Or it should be a switch. I'm too impatient. Oh yeah. There's definitely, should be, that's garbage. We've got, I don't know if that's copper, a little copper contact in there. So I'm gonna put that in with the bucket of switches I got. I got more metal. And, nope, that's aluminum. So let's see what we got going on inside. If it wants to open. And of course, it doesn't. Secret screw? No. We're gonna slide. What we got? Oh, it slides off. I can't gorilla strength it. And this is aluminum. Oh yeah. Nice piece of aluminum. And inside we have our wire. We have a bunch of just standard old outlets, but it looks thin. A very, very low grade circuit board, which we will get out of there if I can. Doesn't like that one. Oh, let's see. Bet you likes this one. Doesn't like that one either. For crying out loud. Doesn't like that one either. What happens when I don't have everything all set up? Bear with me. Does it like that one? Oh, it should like that one. So I'll take those two little screws out. Move that out of the way. And then this is all going to pop right out. One would hope or think. This cord is a real nuisance. I'm just going to break that. You know, I don't really want to cut it because I want to strip all that out. Well, it doesn't want to cooperate. Let's we'll just snip it off there. Lay those there. We've got, oh, a cute little light bulb if you want that. Then we have our switch over here, which, pull these wires off. Yeah. A couple little tabs on it. Hopefully it'll push right out. way it's going, not so good. So we've got a switch. We know it's a silver contact in there. So that too we'll go with. The rest of my switches that need to get broke down and get the contacts out. And then I'm just gonna get this a yank. Or not. Crying out loud. Do a whole bunch, they go smoothly. I put the camera on, guess what happens? This. Oh, come on. I'm about ready to go bananas on this thing. Nothing went easy today. Come on out of there. And this thing is irking me. There it goes, finally. So we've got another piece of aluminum. Got some wire. We finally got rid of that damn thing. And now this, which I guess I could have just snipped it anyway. Now this wire I'll run through the wire stripper. Anything thick enough, I'll strip and put it in the barrel. So, and then I cut off my plug-ins because I get paid separately. I'm sure a lot of you do. Or, if you really want to, man. If you really want to, you can pull the brass out of these. I just put them in a bucket. My scrap guy pays me for that. So we have some wire to strip. And we've got some of that. We've got some other little wires here. We'll just snip the backs of those off our outlets. Low grade board that I don't really see. That's just wire. Really nothing. Unless those are, I don't know what those are. I don't know. Is there anything on there I should be saving? Anybody know about? Doesn't look like it to me. So, we'll call that a low grade. Well, it is a low grade board. So let's see what we got. That's it. All right. So for metal, we have 2.3 ounces. Hold on, I found a little something else. Didn't help. 2.3. Put that in our metal bucket. Plug end is 0.8 of an ounce, half an ounce. We've got some wire that we're not going to strip. That's probably not going to read. Oh, look at this. And we have, let's see, because I'm just going to throw this in my shred wire. Half an ounce. Half an ounce of shred wire. Switches don't really matter because we're not getting paid by the weight on those. We've got to take them apart. So we've got some wire, 2 switches, and then we've got our outlets. You can smack these apart, and there is some goodies in there, but I have a whole box full of outlets because you have the brass in there and whatnot, and I really haven't decided what I'm doing with them yet. But for outlets, we have 5 ounces of outlets. So we can bust those down when we get to that. And for our aluminum, 11.3 ounces of aluminum. Our wire, if we don't do anything with it, 8.5 ounces. I don't know. This wasn't very exciting, and I personally just don't feel like smashing these things open. There's not a whole lot in there. I don't know. That's it. That was boring. That sucked. But like, subscribe, comment if you want. Let's get to scrapping something else because this was just definitely not fun.